Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT request is allowed, please try again later problem in ChatGPT. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Click on Search. Search ChatGPT application. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. You make sure your ChatGPT application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT request is not allowed, please try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.